Hey guys, welcome back to another live trading video. Today I'm taking a look at USD JPY, and I just entered a position on the long side, looking for this market to continue higher. Now in this video, what I'm going to be doing, if you are new to my live trading videos, in case this is your first time watching one of them, basically what I do is I turn on the camera and I film a trade that I take, whether it's a win or a loss from the start. So I just picked up this position a few minutes ago here at support, and by the time I got the camera rolling, you can already see kind of the way this level is reacting, which is kind of cool, and hopefully we can get some follow through. And like I said, whether this trade is a win or loss, I'll be filming it for YouTube and uploading it there for you guys. So let me break down the technical analysis first, and then we will go from there. So the first thing I want to point out is that the dollar yen, if we look at the higher time frames, here's the 4-hour view, you can kind of see that the dollar yen is trending higher. In fact, if we throw on some moving averages, you can actually see that they're trending nicely to the upside. So I had a bullish bias overall on the dollar anyways, from just a purely technical analysis standpoint. We're going to talk about the fundamentals in a moment, but just know that overall I've been looking for a buy. After this big run up, I was looking for an opportunity to get long, and now I finally got my opportunity here. So let's go back to the 1-hour chart, which is where I actually executed the trade, and talk about this level here. So after that big run up, we had this big slide to the downside and then basically chopped around over here. But one thing was pretty obvious, was that this level was being responded to by the market. Buyers were here, sellers took it over, sellers were able to hold it for a while, and finally we had the breakout here in the last day or two. So then as price started to retrace this morning, I basically had this on my watch list, and sure enough, as it came down, I was able to get my entry there at the 50% retracement. So again, I used the Fibonacci retracement tool here to give me this tool here. So what I did is I drew from the low here all the way to the top of this move here, and it gave me these 3 different levels. And I like to use fibs in my trading. If you are familiar with my trading style, you've probably watched some of my videos, you know that this is a fairly common approach for me. So what I did is I drew from the low to the high. It gave me the 38.2, the 50%, and the 61.8. And this level really stuck out to me because it also lined up with that technical area that we just talked about. So we had resistance, now possible support, and that 50% retracement level. So those two things combined were a nice little technical thing that basically made me want to get in on the trade. That combined with the overall uptrend looked really nice. Now I actually just sent out this trade to our members group inside of our VIP Discord. Basically what I said is I'm picking up USD JPY long at support, risking 25 pips. I like the risk to reward on this one and willing to take a small position to see if yen can weaken from here. We already talked a bit about the technicals, so I'll jump to the fundamentals. I said fundamentally the US dollar outlook is strong in my view due to the rising US 10-year, and things seem to continue to progress towards recovery, meaning I'm fairly bearish on JPY. Remember that very often JPY gets bought aggressively during a time of fear in the markets, and right now things are still en route to recovery, and so I am generally more interested in being long on the dollar and short on the yen on this exact currency pair. So with that said, I also of course updated my pound position, which I think I'm filming that trade as well. I can't remember which ones I am or not anymore, but I think I'm filming my pound short position that is in profit, so I'm floating some profit on that one as well. But with that said, you guys, that is what the Discord looks like. If you're not already in the Discord and you would like to join us, by the way, you can see all the trades that I'm taking. You can see the trades being taken by our other top analysts, Patrick and Ryan. We also do coaching webinars. We have chat rooms available for our members, all sorts of great perks with being a member within our group. So if you'd like to check that out, there's a link down below in the description and a promo code for you to get a discount on your membership by being a YouTube subscriber here. So check it out and use that discount code, and you should be able to get in there for a nice price. With that said, the dollar yen, I'm not going to try and, that was one more thing I wanted to add. So sometimes the question I get is, well, Nick, why don't you have a take profit on your trade? So I do have a stop loss. So the first thing I will say is that, if this trade goes completely against me, if I'm completely wrong about this idea and the dollar yen drops like a rock, right? My goal is not to hold on to this thing and hope and pray that it continues higher, right? I'm not really big into playing that game. My goal with this is if it continues, excellent. We'll talk about that in a second. The first thing I want to address though is the first question I ask myself when I take a trade is, what am I going to do if it goes all wrong. Because trust me, you can think you know everything about the markets as much as you want, but you don't. And the reality is that the market can do some crazy things. So the market can completely roll over here, take me out for a loss, and that would be okay, because I've chosen a risk that's not going to destroy my account by any means. It's a small risk, and I'm basically willing to take it for the potential for this thing to rally higher. So what do I do if it goes in my favor? How do I make money if I don't have a take profit? Well, my goal is to trail stops. So what that means is that if price were to move up here, what I could do is I could take this stop loss, drag it up to break even, lock in the trade, and hey, maybe it rallies from there even more, and I'd be able to lock in some profit on the trade. And then eventually, when price inevitably pulls back at some point, I would be able to take a profit, right? So it's kind of a weird concept, but basically, if you think about it, I have a 100% stop loss hit rate, which sounds weird at first, but if you think about it, if the stop loss is way in profit and you get stopped out, hey, that's not bad at all, right? That just means that you're out of the trade and you made your money. So we'll see if that can happen on this trade. Either way, like I said, I'll be filming this and uploading it to YouTube. Hope that breakdown was helpful. And with that said, what I'll do is I'll pause the video, give it some time, and we'll come back once things have developed further on dollar yen.
Hey guys, my name is Chandler. I'm Nick's video editor. See, there's my picture, so there's proof. Nick was out for the last half of this video. He went on vacation, so I'm here to explain what happened at the end of this trade. You can see here that the trade continued to push higher, and Nick was floating with a nice profit. And with a few more hours, prices really pushed. Here's the trade alert that Nick posted in our VIP Discord. Speaking of our Discord, remember to join our group. It's a private VIP group. If you'd like to see all the trades that Nick is doing, the link is in the description. So here are the end results. In the end, Nick was trailed out of the trade with $309.17 in profit. Not bad at all. So this is Chandler the editor telling you to study hard, eat your vegetables, like and subscribe, because we make content for you every single day for free. So if you want more of that, stick around. There will be more videos coming very soon.
What's up guys? Thanks for watching today's video. There are more videos available on our channel here and here, so go ahead and click into that for some more free trading content. With that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you back next time.